Using Asana for product management is straightforward. Here's how: create a new workspace in Asana dedicated to your product management tasks. This will serve as the central hub for all project-related activities. Create separate projects for each product or feature you're managing. You can also create projects for specific phases of your product development process. Break down your product management process into individual tasks and list them within the corresponding projects. Use sections or columns within projects to organize tasks by priority, status, or category. Clearly define the goals, objectives, and requirements for each product or feature. Use task descriptions and subtasks to provide detailed information about what needs to be accomplished. Assign tasks to team members responsible for their execution and set due dates to establish timelines and deadlines for task completion. Use task comments and mentions to collaborate with team members. Ask questions, provide updates, and share important information. Hold regular meetings or check-ins using Asana's calendar or scheduling features to discuss project progress, address issues, and make decisions. Monitor task progress and status updates in real time using Asana's project boards, timelines, or progress dashboards to visualize project status and identify bottlenecks or delays. Regularly review project progress, gather feedback from stakeholders, and iterate on your product management processes to improve efficiency and effectiveness.